Imagine a smaller Paris, located on the coast, with much less tourists, more relaxed and with a Basque touch. That is San Sebastian, the perfect mix, all in one, an easy city to visit. San Sebastian, Donostia in Basque, boasts a circular bay with crystal clear waters and white sand beaches that have attracted wealthy people in search of sun and sophistication throughout history. In recent years, San Sebastian has captured the interest of the press due to its cuisine. Only San Sebastian has 17 Michelin stars distributed in 9 restaurants. The city can boast of having more Michelin stars per capita than any other place in the world, except Tokyo. San Sebastian is in many ways like a mini Paris, but in a Basque style.
Look me with your pretty eyes and run with me, yeah. 'Cause you and I are the secret. Feel my drift against your skin. 'Cause honestly, yeah, let's hold our breath. This is so real. Just you and me, let's escape, girl, tonight. Girl, tonight.
They say every day's a new day. Live it like your last day. It's okay to feel great. Yeah, you're all jumping on a new wave. Time goes by, but I'll stay stuck up in my old ways. So hard to unlearn habits we've gotten addicted to. I'm trying to change my life, but so much easier to say than do. Oh, please help me. Please go easy on me. I can't believe it's so hard for me to see that I deserve this. Deserve to feel happy now. So please go easy. Please go easy on me. Go easy on me. Go easy on me. Easy on me. Don't give me a hard time, just let me live my life in peace. My life in peace. Been broken a long time, don't remember the highlights of me. Highlights of me. Oh, please help me. Please go easy on me. I can't believe it's so hard for me to see that I deserve this. Deserve to feel happy now. So please go easy. Please go easy. So hard to unlearn habits we've gotten addicted to.
Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel.